Hey everyone, so in this video I am going to tell you 7 idioms that used by so many celebrities. Okay, so let's start the video. So the first idiom is snap out of it. As you can see here, the first idiom is snap out of it. Means stop being sad, upset or distracted and return to your normal position. Like I say to my brother, hey bro, stop. Hey bro, snap out of it, buddy. Means I say to my brother, bro, stop being sad, upset or distracted and return to your normal position, normal state. And the second idiom is wake up and smell a coffee. Like I say to my brother, hey bro, wake up and smell a coffee. Means I say, bro, please wake up and smell a coffee. Means face the reality because you cannot change the reality. Bro, wake up and smell a coffee. And the third idiom is rubbed off on you. This is my favorite idiom, rubbed off on you. I know, like rubbed off on you may not be your favorite. Like the word, the sentence, it is not favorite of me, but the meaning of it is my favorite. Like her love for English. Oh, guys, I'm not able to say because I have handed the phone in my hand because I have not I have not a stand by which we can record the video. That is why I am not able to say my word share. Her love rubbed off on you. Sorry for disturbing you. Again, I will not make mistake. Rubbed off on you. Her love for English has rubbed off on me. Means her love for English has means किसी का किसी पे इफेक्ट पड़ जाना. Like तुमने किसी की हॉबी को देखा और you have seen someone's hobby and you being like the effect of that hobby has fallen upon you. Like her love for English has rubbed off on me. Like I also started liking English. Her love for dance has rubbed on me. Like I saw his dance and or her dance and it rubbed off on me. Means किसी चीज का किसी के ऊपर असर पड़ जाना. Then the fourth thing is nailed it. तुमने सही पकड़ा. Like you are saying something and you said that you nailed it. Like तुमने सही पकड़ा. Like I am saying to my brother something and I say to you, bro, you nailed it. You nailed it means you hold it right. You understand this concept. You nailed it right. So no, nailed it right, not just nailed it. Fifth idiom is spot on. Spot on means बिल्कुल सही पकड़ा. My bro is spot on. Like मेरे bro ने, मेरे भाई ने इस चीज को सही से समझा. Sixth idiom is couldn't be better means this is perfect. Couldn't be better. What is couldn't be better? And the last one is I dug my own grave. Creating a problem for yourself. I dug my own grave. Shit. I dug my own grave by saying that I will bring water for my sister because the tap is not working. You can make another sentence like this and last one you make by your own and comment in the comment section. Bye.